Make sure to follow my steps to solve this error code in Rainbow Six Siege. Firstly, you should go to the Windows taskbar. You must see this Steam icon displaying. Right click and select Exit Steam. It's so simple. Now go to the search and type in NVIDIA. If you do have an NVIDIA graphics card, you should select the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, open the AMD app. After that, sign up with an account and go to the left menu and select drivers. And make sure to install the latest available driver you will find. Like this, make sure to follow the process to ensure the installation is successful. Next, go to the Windows icon right here and select settings. Now from here, you'll be redirected to the home page. So go to the Windows update at the bottom left corner and make sure to install any pending update you will find available. Make sure to wait for the updates to finish, otherwise it will cause some issues. And if you do have any stuck updates, just go to the update history. After that, make sure to unselect these first two, scroll down and then select uninstall update. If you do know any update that is causing your issue, you can uninstall it from here. Otherwise, go back and then select the recovery option. Select the first option. After that, select other troubleshooters. It will be redirecting you to this page. So in the Windows update, select run and see if it works. Otherwise, go back and select reinstall now. Next, go to the Steam icon, open it. Now go to the view option and select library. In the left menu, you must find Rainbow Six Siege, the game that you're looking for, like this. You just need to select it. I don't have it installed, but you must. So once you select it, select this gear icon and select properties. After that, all you have to do is to go to the installed files element and select verify integrity of game files. It will start by verifying the original files of the game, and any corrupted file that is possibly causing the issue and the error code that is happening to you will be automatically fixed and corrected. You need to wait for the process to finish so that you can close all of this and then go to the Windows icon and try restarting your computer and see if it works. If you find this video is helpful and the error code is gone, please consider subscribing and see you on the next one.